Hi everyone! For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters in 50 grams. And for this project I am using seed beads. And before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. In this video you will see how to crochet my unique project. Let's crochet the cord. I will begin the cord from the segment. Make chain of 3. I take seed beads and make 6 chains with seed bead. 1. I do not pull it. 2. 3. 4. I do not pull my chains. Here what I have. 5 and 6. Well done. Turn the work. I put my foundation chain like this. Make a chain. Pull up the working loop. Yarn over the hook. I insert the hook into 2 loops. And pull up a loop. Here what I have, then yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next 2 loops, pull up a loop 1 and 2 into the same chain stitch. I yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next chain stitch and make the second one. Do the same chain stitch, yarn over the hook and make the first one. And make the second one. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the next chain stitch, pull up a loop and make the second time to the same chain stitch. Let's repeat. 1 and 2. I left these chains. Here what I have. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook like this and make a chain and pull it. Yarn over the hook, make 3 double crochet in a row. 1, 2 and 3. Well done. My first segment of my cord is ready. I continue working on my cord or lace tape. Make 6 chains with seed bead. So it is going to be the second segment. I will repeat it each time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn the work, make a chain and pull up the working loop, make half double crochet twice, not finish into the each chain stitch. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2. Well done. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook, make a chain and pull it, yarn over the hook, and 3 double crochet in a row. 2 and 3. Well done. So I'm done 2 segments, and I will show you how to crochet the third one. I will crochet it like the second segment. Take seed beads, make 6 chains with seed bead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Well done. Make a chain, turn the work, and as I did before, make half double crochet twice, not finish into the each chain stitch. 1, 2, insert the hook into the next one, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, insert the hook into 2 loops, 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Well done. Then yarn over, pull through loops on the hook, make a chain, pull it, then yarn over the hook and 3 double crochet in a row. 1, 2 and 3. So you should repeat the third segment as many times as you need for your project. This is my own project I created recently for you. Then you will see how to finish my cord. And now you will see how to finish my project. Yarn over and make a chain to secure the yarn. I have already cut off my yarn and pull it. And my cord or lace tape is ready. You can leave a long piece of yarn to sew stuff for the jewelry, such as cord, bracelet or necklace. And let's stop and look what I have done. So my project is ready. Here how it looks when I'm done. I remind you my cord consists of one segment that I repeat each time. In my case, this is the second segment. For this project, I used seed beads. You can choose your favorite color of yarn and your favorite seed beads. You can use it like a separate element, such as bracelet, necklace, or choker. Or it could be part of big project. You can use it in Irish lace project or Guipure lace project. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me in social media and of course crochet with me and learn more. If you don't like seed beads, please visit my channel and you will find a lot of video tutorials for yourself and your level of crocheting. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use this cord. See you next time and bye!